Building and recovering muscles require more than just lifting weights and engaging in intense workouts. One crucial element that often gets overlooked is the role of proteins. In fact, proteins play a vital role in muscle building and recovery. Proteins are made up of amino acids, which are the building blocks for our muscles. When we exercise, our muscles experience microscopic damage that needs to be repaired. This is where proteins come into play. Consuming an adequate amount of protein helps repair and rebuild these damaged muscles, allowing them to grow stronger and bigger over time. Not only do proteins aid in muscle repair and growth, but they also provide the necessary energy for optimal performance during workouts. They help keep us feeling satiated, which can prevent overeating and aid in weight management. Additionally, proteins play a crucial role in regulating metabolism and supporting the immune system. Whether you're an athlete, a fitness enthusiast, or someone aiming to lead a healthy lifestyle, understanding the importance of proteins in muscle building and recovery is essential. By incorporating protein-rich foods into your diet, you can maximize your results and optimize your overall health. How proteins aid in muscle growth and recovery. Proteins are the building blocks of muscles, and they play a crucial role in muscle growth and recovery. When we exercise, our muscles are put under stress, resulting in microscopic damage. This damage needs to be repaired in order for the muscles to grow stronger and bigger. Proteins contain amino acids, which are essential for repairing and rebuilding muscle tissue. When we consume protein-rich foods, our body breaks down the protein into amino acids, which are then used by our muscles to repair and regenerate. This process is known as protein synthesis. In addition to repairing muscles, proteins also help in the formation of new muscle tissue. When we exercise, our body goes through a process called muscle protein synthesis, where new muscle proteins are created. Consuming enough protein ensures that our body has the necessary amino acids to support this process and promote muscle growth. Furthermore, proteins also aid in muscle recovery by reducing muscle soreness and inflammation. They provide the necessary nutrients to support the repair and regeneration process, allowing our muscles to recover faster between workouts. This is particularly important for individuals who engage in intense or frequent exercise, as it helps prevent overtraining and promotes overall muscle health. Overall, proteins are essential for muscle growth and recovery. By consuming an adequate amount of protein, you can support the repair and regeneration of muscle tissue, promote muscle growth, and aid in muscle recovery. The role of amino acids in protein synthesis. Amino acids are the building blocks of proteins, and they play a crucial role in protein synthesis. Protein synthesis is the process by which our body creates new muscle proteins, allowing our muscles to grow and repair. There are 20 different amino acids that our body needs for protein synthesis. These amino acids can be divided into two categories: essential amino acids and non-essential amino acids. Essential amino acids are those that our body cannot produce on its own and must be obtained through our diet. Non-essential amino acids, on the other hand, can be produced by our body. When we consume protein-rich foods, our body breaks down the protein into individual amino acids. These amino acids are then used by our body to create new muscle proteins through a process called protein synthesis. During protein synthesis, the amino acids are assembled in a specific order to form new muscle proteins. The rate of protein synthesis is influenced by various factors, including the type and amount of amino acids available, as well as the presence of other nutrients such as carbohydrates and fats. Consuming a balanced diet that includes all essential amino acids is important to ensure optimal protein synthesis and promote muscle growth and recovery. In addition to protein synthesis, amino acids also play a role in other metabolic processes in our body. They are involved in the production of hormones, enzymes, and neurotransmitters, and they also serve as a source of energy when needed. Therefore, consuming enough protein to meet our amino acid needs is crucial for overall health and well-being. Recommended protein intake for muscle building. Protein intake is a crucial factor when it comes to muscle building. Consuming an adequate amount of protein is essential to support muscle growth and repair. The recommended protein intake for muscle building varies depending on factors such as age, sex, body weight, and activity level. The general guideline for protein intake for muscle building is to consume around 0.6 to 0.9 grams of protein per pound of body weight. This means that a person weighing 150 pounds would need to consume between 90 and 135 grams of protein per day. However, it's important to note that individual protein needs may vary based on specific goals and circumstances. It's also recommended to spread protein intake evenly throughout the day, rather than consuming a large amount of protein in one meal. This allows for better absorption and utilization of the amino acids by our muscles. Including a source of protein in each meal and snack can help ensure that you meet your daily protein needs. It's worth mentioning that athletes or individuals engaging in intense exercise may have higher protein requirements. In these cases, protein intake may range from 0.7 to 1 gram per pound of body weight. Consulting with a registered dietitian or nutritionist can help determine the optimal protein intake for your specific needs and goals. Best sources of protein for muscle growth. When it comes to building and repairing muscles, it's important to choose high-quality sources of protein. Not all protein sources are created equal, and some provide a more complete amino acid profile than others. Including a variety of protein sources in your diet can help ensure that you're getting all essential amino acids. Animal-based protein sources such as lean meats, poultry, fish, eggs, and dairy products are considered complete proteins, as they provide all essential amino acids. These sources of protein are also rich in other nutrients such as vitamins and minerals, making them a good choice for muscle growth and recovery. For individuals following a vegetarian or vegan diet, plant-based protein sources can also be incorporated to meet protein needs. Legumes such as beans, lentils, and chickpeas, as well as tofu, tempeh, and seitan, are good sources of plant-based protein. Combining different plant-based protein sources can help ensure a complete amino acid profile. In addition to animal and plant-based protein sources, protein supplements can also be used to meet protein needs. Whey protein, casein protein, and plant-based protein powders are commonly used by individuals looking to increase their protein intake. These supplements can be a convenient option for those who have difficulty meeting their protein needs through whole foods alone. Timing protein consumption for optimal muscle recovery. In addition to consuming an adequate amount of protein, the timing of protein consumption also plays a role in muscle recovery. The post-workout period is a critical time for muscle repair and growth, and consuming protein during this time can enhance the recovery process. It's recommended to consume a source of protein within 30 minutes to 1 hour after a workout. This post-workout meal or snack should ideally contain both protein and carbohydrates. The carbohydrates help replenish glycogen stores, which provide the necessary energy for our muscles, while the protein aids in muscle repair and growth. Research suggests that consuming protein immediately following a workout can enhance muscle protein synthesis. This is due to an increased sensitivity of our muscles to protein during this time, known as the anabolic window. Taking advantage of this window by consuming protein can help maximize muscle recovery and promote muscle growth. However, it's important to note that protein consumption throughout the day is still important. While the post-workout period is crucial, spreading protein intake evenly throughout the day ensures a steady supply of amino acids for muscle repair and growth. Including a source of protein in each meal and snack can help achieve this. Common misconceptions about protein and muscle building. There are several common misconceptions surrounding protein and its role in muscle building. One of the most prevalent myths is that consuming excessive amounts of protein will automatically result in more muscle growth. However, our body has a limit to how much protein it can utilize for muscle synthesis. Research suggests that consuming more than 1.6 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight per day does not provide any additional benefit for muscle building. In fact, excessive protein intake can put strain on the kidneys and may lead to other health issues. It's important to consume an appropriate amount of protein based on individual needs and goals. Another misconception is that protein is only important for bodybuilders or individuals who engage in intense exercise. While protein needs may be higher for those who are physically active, protein is still essential for everyone. It plays a crucial role in maintaining muscle mass, supporting overall health, and aiding in the recovery process. Additionally, some individuals believe that protein supplements are necessary to build muscle. While protein supplements can be a convenient option to meet protein needs, they are not a requirement for muscle building. A well-balanced diet that includes protein-rich foods can provide all the necessary amino acids for muscle growth and recovery. Protein supplements for muscle growth. Protein supplements can be a convenient option for individuals looking to increase their protein intake for muscle growth. They can be particularly useful for those who have difficulty meeting their protein needs through whole foods alone or for those who require a quick and portable source of protein. There are various types of protein supplements available, including whey protein, casein protein, and plant-based protein powders. Whey protein is derived from milk and is quickly absorbed by the body, making it an ideal choice for post-workout recovery. Casein protein, on the other hand, is digested slowly and provides a steady release of amino acids, making it suitable for extended periods of muscle repair. Plant-based protein powders, such as those made from pea, rice, or hemp, are a suitable option for individuals following a vegetarian or vegan diet. These protein powders are derived from plant sources and provide a complete amino acid profile. When choosing a protein supplement, it's important to read the label and select a product that fits your individual needs and preferences. Some protein supplements may contain added sugars, artificial sweeteners, or other additives. Opting for a product with minimal ingredients and a high protein content is recommended. It's worth mentioning that while protein supplements can be a convenient option, they should not replace whole foods in your diet. Whole foods provide a wide range of nutrients in addition to protein, which is important for overall health and well-being. Combining protein with other nutrients for better results. While protein is essential for muscle building and recovery, it's important to combine it with other nutrients for optimal results. Consuming a well-balanced diet that includes carbohydrates, fats, and micronutrients is crucial for overall muscle health and performance. Carbohydrates are an important source of energy for our muscles, especially during intense exercise. Including carbohydrates in your post-workout meal or snack along with protein can help replenish glycogen stores and provide the necessary fuel for muscle recovery. Fats are also important for muscle health and should not be neglected. Healthy fats, such as those found in avocados, nuts, and olive oil, provide essential fatty acids that support hormone production and nutrient absorption. Including a moderate amount of healthy fats in your diet can help optimize muscle building and recovery. In addition to carbohydrates and fats, consuming an adequate amount of vitamins and minerals is important for overall muscle health. Micronutrients such as vitamin D, calcium, magnesium, and iron play a role in muscle contraction, bone health, and oxygen transport. Including a variety of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins in your diet can help ensure that you're getting all the necessary nutrients for muscle building and recovery. Conclusion: the key role of proteins in muscle building and recovery. Proteins play a crucial role in muscle building and recovery. They provide the necessary building blocks for muscle repair and growth, as well as the energy for optimal performance during workouts. Consuming an adequate amount of protein helps support muscle recovery, prevent muscle breakdown, and promote muscle growth over time. To optimize muscle building and recovery, it's important to consume a variety of protein sources throughout the day. Animal-based protein sources provide complete amino acid profiles, while plant-based protein sources can be combined to ensure all essential amino acids are met. Additionally, timing protein consumption around workouts and combining it with carbohydrates and fats can enhance muscle recovery and performance. While protein supplements can be a convenient option, they should not replace whole foods in your diet. A well-balanced diet that includes protein-rich foods, carbohydrates, healthy fats, and micronutrients is crucial for overall muscle health and performance. Understanding the importance of proteins in muscle building and recovery is essential for athletes, fitness enthusiasts, and anyone looking to lead a healthy lifestyle. By incorporating protein-rich foods into your diet and following a well-balanced eating plan, you can maximize your results and optimize your overall health. So, prioritize protein and watch your muscles grow and recover stronger than ever before.